Hi friends, welcome to Morgan's PowerPoint tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to create collage photo album in PowerPoint. Last week video, one of the subscriber asked how to make a photo album in PowerPoint with background music. On their request, I have created this PowerPoint. Let's learn how do we going to create this in PowerPoint. We're going to design few of the slides and we'll add the background music and we'll convert this into video and we'll share. Let's insert new slide. Go to insert shapes, take a rectangle and draw in the full area of the slide. Make a no outline. Again take insert shapes, take a rectangle and we'll draw a straight line like this and we'll give 0.5 centimeter height and we will change the color to white color to differentiate between blue and white and give no outline. Let's put this in the center of the slide and we'll copy the same slide. We'll rotate and we'll put it in this portion and we'll take one more, go to insert, take one more rectangle and we'll draw a line like this. Again we'll make a no outline, white, fill color with white. Again copy, Control D and put it in this area. Now we'll select this area and Control A, go to shape format, merge shape, we'll select the fragment option. Then we'll remove all the shapes where we fragmented. Sorry. So these areas we are going to now paste the pictures. This is become a collage now. We'll insert a pictures for each boxes. First select Control A, right click, go to format object, go to fill, text, picture or text fill. Now we can able to insert pictures in each boxes. Click, go to picture text, insert. I already downloaded few pictures. Insert pictures for each rectangles. So I'm inserting pictures for each rectangle where we are created. So now we have inserted. So in this area you people can insert your own pictures which we wanted to create a collage pictures. Now we'll give a animation for each rectangles. Select all, we'll go to animations, give add animation, we'll give, maybe we'll give a animation, this one, split. So now you can look at here. I'm opening animation pane. So all will be opening like this. We'll select all the shapes. We'll give after previous. If required, we can change each boxes. We can give a different animation. I'm clicking on this one. I'll get a wheel option. This one I'm giving random bars. This one I'm selecting and giving a maybe zoom effect. So let's see. Okay, we are having a different animations. As per your requirement, you can change your animations. Now let's go and insert a audio music background. For this you can use any of your musics. I already downloaded a music. Let's go insert audio from PC. I'm already downloaded this one. Just go and select it here. Just go to playback, change it to automatically and click on the play across slides. Once you've done this, you can run the presentation. So we have to change the animation. Sorry, in the animation pane, you have to put the audio at the front. All this has to be after previous. This all has to be after previous. Go to animation, after previous. This with the previous. So now let's run the. So this is the way you can make your own collage poster. Let's create the collage into a video. Go to File, Export, create a video. In this option, there are 4 options: Full HD, HD, Ultra HD. Let's select the HD and we'll give it 10 minutes, 10 seconds and create a video. And we'll give the name. The file and we'll open. So we have created the collage poster. I created few more templates which you can replace your own pictures in each of the designs, and it can be animated and make it a collage photo albums and send it to your friends and family. Thank you friends. Today we learned how to create the photo album in PowerPoint. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, comment, and if you want to get a new video notification, click on the bell button. Also, you can comment any topic which you wanted a tutorial. You can put it in the comments. I will try to create that in the next week tutorial. Thank you and see you. Bye.